Joe Rogan had one thing to say when he heard Tony Hinchcliffe dropped his infamous floating island of garbage Puerto Rico joke at Trump's Madison Square Garden rally. Here it comes. Hinchcliffe, known for pushing limits on his show Kill Tony, got major heat after his rally appearance, leaving Puerto Rican fans, along with stars like Bad Bunny and J-Lo, livid. Rogan had actually warned him about this one. "I told him, that joke kills at clubs, but that's the one that'll get you stabbed." Yet, despite the warning, Hinchcliffe couldn't resist. As Rogan explained, political rallies are a nightmare for comedy. If he'd known Hinchcliffe was taking that joke there, he'd have shut it down. Rogan compared the backlash to mistaking Tarantino's movies for real life. "It's a joke. It's like saying Tarantino killed someone because it happened in his movie." Despite the outrage, Rogan believes Hinchcliffe will ride it out, even if the Trump campaign now wants nothing to do with the gag. My name is Tamika. Thank you for watching. Until next time, ciao ciao, my fabulous peeps.